Understanding and addressing AirPods Pro 3 case battery drain. Experiencing rapid battery drain on your AirPods Pro 3 case? You're not alone. This often stems from a combination of firmware issues, the Find My feature, and charging habits. Firmware bugs can cause the case to unnecessarily cycle power, while the enhanced Find My pinging, especially with spatial pinging enabled, keeps the case semi-active, draining the battery. Charging issues, such as using non-Apple chargers or improper seating of the AirPods, can also contribute. As of October 2025, a significant number of users report this problem. Remember, Apple released the AirPods Pro 3 in September 2024. Several solutions can help mitigate it. Ensure your AirPods Pro 3 and iPhone are running the latest iOS version to fix firmware bugs causing drain. Reset your AirPods case through Bluetooth settings in your iPhone to clear any glitches. In Find My settings, limit pinging to when lost only to reduce unnecessary battery use. Always use Apple-certified chargers and avoid extreme temperatures during charging. Make sure AirPods are properly seated in the case to prevent incomplete charging cycles. If issues continue, reach out to Apple support for potential replacement if hardware is defective. Use apps like Coconut Battery to track your AirPods battery health and catch issues early. Proactively applying these fixes will significantly extend your AirPods battery life.